2. One day when I was in high school, I arrived home to discover several mostly empty bottles of alcohol from my mother's liquor cabinet sitting out on the kitchen counter. Upon hearing me enter the house, my mother angrily stomped into the kitchen to demand an explanation about why her booze was missing. I had absolutely no clue, but she wouldn't believe that my brother had denied drinking her booze, so therefore it must have been me. My mother threw a tantrum trying to get me to confess, which included yelling, screaming, hitting, punching, and throwing things at me. Then she started hurling other punishments at me. I was grounded. Any of my personal possessions that she didn't like, such as music she hated, was confiscated, and many of them were smashed, destroyed, and thrown into the garbage in front of my face. Then there were chores. I could expect to do nothing but clean from the moment I entered the house until I had to go to bed, until she felt I had learned my lesson. As it turned out, neither my brother nor I had anything to do with